empower the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Good afternoon, Bicolanja. We are now down to the last game for our quarterfinal round. It's the Naga College Foundation Tigers versus the STI Olympians. Of course, makakasama niyo pa rin po kaming mga commentators. I am Cristina Canzo-Reyes and with me is Rick Porta para maghatid po ng aksyon dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium.
So another match to watch para dito sa ating araw na ito. Again, this is the battle against the two different big teams dito sa ating Bucal Season 6. We have the NCF Tigers and the STI Olympians. So talagang aabangan ito ng ating mga manonood because this is our big game for this day. Pag-usapan natin kung ano ba ang mga nangyari dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito coming into this knockout quarterfinals.
Ayan nga, itong ating Naga College Foundation Naga College Foundation Tigers and number 1 po para sa ating seniors division at ngayong hapon pong ito talagang papatunayan nila na sila ang number 1 seed sa ating seniors division. Pero back to zero kasi yan wala na yan sa ranking, doon na tayo sa quarterfinal matchup round kung kaya ngayong hapon ito na po yung do or die game. Kaya kung sino man po ang mananalo sa ating dalawang kupunan na ito ay siya po ang magkakaroon ng ticket to the semi-final round. Kaya naman talagang nakaka-excite po itong ating laban na ito. Most especially itong ating STI Olympians as well as the NCF Tigers na talaga namang bigay todo na po ang kanilang gagawin dito after this quarter-final run. And of course, titingnan natin dito sa side ng ating NCF Tigers kung ano nga ba yung adjustment nila dito para sa kupunan nila. And to hear an update, let's hear it from Maui.
The heart, the passion, and the grit. We've witnessed an electrifying and roller coaster ride for these teams in this season and their journey, and they are here to fight for a spot in the Final Four. It's STI Olympians versus the NCF Tigers. I am Maui Balane and I am thrilled to be your courtside reporter for this game. With the Tigers' continuous victory showing how they surmounted every obstacle just to cradle the triumph each game, I have here with me the person who helped the team to make it on top of the heap, the assistant coach of the NCF Tigers, Coach Sal Gupilan Jr. Coach, hello, good afternoon, Coach. Coach, since the stakes of this game are incredibly high with the ticket to the semifinals on the line, how do you plan to secure the win?
Well, very simple. We just have to play our game, trust each other, trust the system. This team is a very good team. They're here for a reason. We have to give them their due respect and just play the best we can.
All right. Coach, and of course, last year, the Tigers have suffered from a heartbreaking loss that ended their streak of 4 consecutive championships, leaving them off the podium. So now, Coach, how confident are you that the team are now ready to reclaim their former glory for this season?
Well, you know, coming into anything that we do in life, we have to have full 100% confidence that we can do what we are here to do. So we just do our very best and leave everything.
All right, thank you so much, Coach Sal. And of course, all the best for the NCF Tigers. Yan nga muna ang update para lamang dito sa side ng NCF Tigers. Now, the hardcourt is set. The teams are now ready. And we're all in for an electrifying showdown. Let the game begin. Rick and Teen.
Ayan, thank you so much, Maui, for that information. So, napakaganda ng key points dito ni Maui na tinanong on the assistant coach of this NCF Tigers. So, natanong dito kung ano ba yung magiging adjustment because uhaw talaga ditong manalo itong NCF Tigers coming from that loss and heartbreak loss on that previous season. Now, this is the moment na kailangan nilang magkaroon ng magandang podium finish. And on the other side of things, we have the STI Olympians, one of the rebuilding team, one of the team na talaga namang nagpakitang gilas at nakapasok dito sa ating quarterfinals. Now, what would be the adjustment para dito sa kanilang kupunan? KZ, iba naman na yan.
Rick and Teen, the atmosphere is electric and the stakes couldn't be higher here at Ateneo Gymnasium, where the NCF Tigers and SA Olympians battle it out for glory. This is Casey Anchoquia, the courtside reporter of SA Olympians for this quarterfinal match of Bucal Season 6. Matatandaan na last season, the Olympians bowed out early, eliminated during the group stages of Season 5. But this year, they've turned the tide, defying expectations and climbing their way to the quarterfinals. This isn't just a game for the Olympians, it's their chance to rewrite their story. Will the Tigers maintain their dominance, or will the Olympians' resurgence lead them to an upset victory? But before that, let's dive into how the team has prepared for this crucial match. Joining me now is Coach Noel of the STI Olympians. So hello, Coach. What's one key focus for you as a coach today that will drive your team toward the championship?
It's always been the defense because I am well known to be a coach that is hard on defense. So we've been preparing for some adjustments with regards to their offense, and then teaching these boys how to properly defend their man in a disciplined way.
So let's say, Coach, if the Tigers go on a scoring run, how do you plan to keep the Olympians composed in the game? Well,
they just have to check their emotions first and foremost. Then we'll just go back to our game plan.
So lastly, Coach, this is your chance to invite the team's fans and supporters to continue cheering and showing their support for the Olympians.
Thank you for all the STI Olympian supporters, most especially Sir Lindon, our school admin, and we hope we made you proud this season.
Thank you so much, Coach. And ngayon, narinig na natin si Coach Noel of Coach Noel of STA Olympians. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey. Ayan nga, magpo-focus yung ating STI Olympians on the defense para dito sa laban nila against the Naga College Foundation Tigers. Kaya naman handang-handa na din po lahat ng supporters ng ating dalawang kupunan na ito para sa bakbakang NCF and STI Olympians for the quarter-final round. Now, kilalanin na po natin ang ating starting lineup for both teams right now. And of course, bago ang lahat, pasalamatan lang din po natin ang lahat po na nag-aantabay sa ating mga Facebook pages. Live na live po ngayong hapon na ito. It's on the Oragon Sports TV Facebook page, Bucal Facebook page, and One Media TV 48 Naga. And of course, live na live po dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Sta University Gymnasium. This is the last game for our quarterfinal round dahil bukas agad-agad po it will be the semi-final round of the Bucal Season 6.
And again, live na live po tayo dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Sta Gymnasium, and also sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa ating mga Facebook pages, we have One Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, and Bucal Facebook page. And also, mag-stream po tayo sa ating YouTube channel. We have the One Media TV 48 Naga.
Now in just a few minutes, we're going to start this heated plays of the NCF and the STI Olympians, and we're now ready to see the changes on the gameplays of this both teams. Now we have here De La Peña, Cervantes, Guades, Gabito, and Laresma on the side of the NCF Tigers. Now we're just waiting for the players of the STI Olympians here. Now we have Barredo.
So both teams have their first 5 para dito sa pag-uumpisa ng ating first quarter match.
Na-excite dito si Berse. Now first ball possession. Pero agad-agad natawagan dito ng foul si Berse. So the ball will go on the side of the NCF Tigers.
Napakaaga pati para sa foul. On the last sequence now, Guades to inbound. Cervantes losing that one. Chance for the Olympians here to score.
Now let's see here. Palacio. 15 seconds to shoot here. Passes to Berse. Heavily guarded here on the inside. No good. But a whistle foul. Montana will be on the free throw line for 2 shots there. Early fouls para dito sa STI and NCF. First basket para dito kay Montana. Now let's see for the second free throw. That's good. 2-on-2. Nakuha ng STI Olympians yung unang puntos sa ating first quarter. Now, NCF on the offense. Cervantes to Guades. Heavily guarded here by Palacio. Now, Gabito to Guades. 14 seconds to shoot. De La Peña goes inside, loses it. Secure that one. Offensive rebound dito. Gabito, denied by Berse. At naubusan na nga ng 24 seconds yung ating mga tigre dyan.
What a nice defense on the side of the STI Olympians. Now Palacio passing the ball to Berse, and Berse getting that 2 points on their side. So, great start on the side of the STI Olympians.
Yes, napakaganda dahil itong si Berse na panood natin dati sa Juniors Division sa ACLC Hawks.
Yes.
And hindi pa masyadong maganda yung laro doon ni Berse, pero ngayon grabe yung in-improve niya dito sa ating STI Olympians. Isa sa mga players na talagang inaabangan dito dahil sa depensang ibinibigay niya dito. At meron na ding opensa itong si Berse, kaya nakaka-excite yung naging journey niya dito sa Bucal. And now let's see here, Barredo heavily guarded, passes to Montana. 13 seconds to shoot, goes inside, no good on that one. But a whistled foul. 4-0 nothing run dito.
And now a foul was called on Berse again in the last sequence. Now, what would be the answer on the side of the NCF? Cervantes to Guades. Taking their time here. We tend to shoot. And Berse with that steal.
Nako, handang-handa itong ating STI Olympians dito sa ating quarterfinal round. Bialintana yung pagiging number 1 doon sa standing ng ating NCF Tigers. Now Berse, mahanap dito ng mapapasahan. Papasok sa loob. Palacio was there. Now heavily guarded. Tries. No good. Offensive rebound dito. Tries one more time. And the foul. Tatlong free throw ang maigagawa dito kay Palacio. De La Peña with that foul.
Napakaganda ng early game dito ng ating STI Olympians. Talagang ayaw ditong papuntosin itong ating NCF Tigers. Now, Palacio, let's see kung madadagdagan ba dito ang kanilang puntos with that free throw opportunity.
That's good para doon sa una. Now Palacio for his second free throw.
Magawa ng bola and offensive rebound. But the ball possession will go on the side of the NCF Tigers. 5-0 on our scoreboard. Sino kaya magkakaroon ng unang puntos para dito sa kupunan ng Tigre? De La Peña to Laresma. And now Guades heavily guarded here by Palacio.
Berse denied that ball on the side of the NCF Tigers. Grabe yung depensa dito ni Berse. Hindi alintana yung height advantage ng ating NCF Tigers.
Now let's see. With this remaining 11 seconds on the shot clock para dito sa ating Tigers, kung makakakuha na sila ng unang puntos. Gabito passing the ball to Guades. Three seconds para dito sa ating NCF. Guades looking for his teammate. Gabito fires for that one. No good. And the ball possession will go on the side of the STI.
Now 5-0 nothing run here. 7 minutes and 11 seconds sa ating first quarter. Now, Montaña passing the ball on the other side. Tries. No good. The ball will go on the side of the NCF Tigers.
Guades to inbound. Still, naghahanap pa rin dito ng unang puntos ang ating NCF. Guades to Laresma. De La Peña. And that's it. First 2 points for this NCF squad.
Naputol agad yung momentum doon ng ating STI Olympians. And still here, Guades, a back-to-back point coming from the side of the NCF Tigers.
And with that, 1 point na lamang po dito ang kalamangang hawak ng ating STI Olympians.
Foul was whistled here to jersey number 8 Racelis ng STI Olympians. De La Peña on the free throw line here to tie the game against the STI Olympians. And that's good. A chance here to take on the lead by 1. De La Peña.
No good. So we are all tied up at 5. No chance for the Olympians here to add their score and take the lead. But Gabito with that steal. Beautiful pass.
Naku naman. First quarter pa lamang po tayo. Pero grabe, yung intense nung larong ito. Now, Berse is down.
And now, De La Peña stepping on that free throw line again para dito sa kanilang kupunan. I believe the foul goes on the side of the STI Olympians, courtesy of Berse. if I'm not mistaken. So let's wait on the announcement of our officials.
No, malaking kawalan dito si Berse sa side ng SDI Olympians. But now the officials are reviewing that last sequence. 6 minutes and 9 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter. Pero intense na agad yung connection dito ng mga players ng SDI as well as the NCF.
Ayan, habang hinihintay natin dito yung review na ginawa ng ating mga referees, mag-shoutout naman tayo sa ating mga live viewers. Shoutout po kay Cristina Valenzuela, kay Karen K. Escaro, Carla May Calleja, kay Erica De Lima, kay Ma'am Rigi Santa Rosa, kay Mr. Ken Sales, Miss Kyla Gaupo, kay KZ Antioquia, and kay Marniela Birido. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta.
Now, technical foul ang itatawag dito kay Laresma and jersey number 17. At si Berse naman ang tatawagan dito ng pushing foul. Again, Laresma with that technical foul. Barredo, first free throw. Naipasok na yan. And De La Peña also with a free throw here. It's good para dito kay De La Peña. And still we are tied on 6-all.
One more time for De La Peña. With that, 1-point lead ang abante dito ng Tigers.
Now, mamamahinga muna dito si Berse on the side of the SDI Olympians. A big loss pero Barredo ay talagang umarangkada at nagbigay ng putos for the side of the SDI. Now, NCF on the offense. Guades to Cervantes. 10 seconds to shoot.
And a foul was called on the side of the SDI Olympians. Now Cervantes on that free throw opportunity because SDI is now on the penalty situation. Cervantes. Basket for that first attempt. Another deadlock of the match. Napakaraming deadlock na team para dito sa ating first quarter pa lamang. One more time for Cervantes. And 2 shots was good.
And also, kung mapapansin niyo po ngayon, wala si James Nuada on the side of the NCF Tigers because of that 2 technical foul na naitawag sa kanya during their last game. So, big loss at the side of the NCF Tigers. But still, all the players here talagang nagbibigay ng putos. Kung kaya naman talagang hindi alintana ito sa side ng ating NCF Tigers. But on that last sequence, a foul was whistled here. Five minutes and 26, SDI Olympians. No good on that one, NCF. With the ball possession.
Guades passing the ball to De La Peña. Cervantes to Guades. Wow! What a connection on that last play. And now Barredo, heavily guarded here. Muntik pang maagawan dito.
Now, SDI Raceles tries. Gets that basket. At hindi nagpapahuli din dito sa NCF Tigers.
Juarez to Laresma. De La Peña forcing that one and another. Beautiful connection. Pero no good on that attempt. So magpapalit dito ng 5 ang ating NCF. Mase, Brito, Borromeo, and Arenzana. And still coming from Lavendero. What a great steal. Back-to-back steal for both teams. STI.
Montana, Turacelis. Martinez ngayon titira ng 3. No good. Offensive rebound dito. Tries one more time. Wala pa rin. Grabe yung defense na pinapakita ngayon ng second 5 ng ating NCF Tigers. This just means na lahat ng players talaga dito sa side ng Tigers eh maaasahan mo. And Arenzana proves that after that last sequence.
The big man, one of the big man sa ating NCF Tigers. Now STI, what would be the answer? Barredo, heavily guarded here, forcing that one, but matatawagan dito ng traveling violation itong si Barredo. And a substitution on their side. Franco Mase to inbound. A long pass to Lavandero. Borromeo to Brito. No good. And rebound on the side of this STI Olympians.
Martinez secure that ball. Now passes here to Montana. Good connection here. Racelis again to try. Still no good on the offense. But this time it will stay on the side of the Olympians here with 6 seconds to shoot.
As of now, Dean, we can see the height difference from the NCF and STI Olympians. But again, STI Olympians talagang hindi na nagpapahuli dito. It's like a David and Goliath showdown. Now, NCF with the ball possession. Mase. And now Brito, no good.
Now, Nuestro passes on the other corner. 13 seconds to shoot here. Tries and a big 3 para dito kay Nuestro. And with that, 2 puntos yung hawak ngayon ng ating STI Olympians. And sabi nga natin kanina, Rick, na yung height advantage ng ating NCF Tigers ay kitang-kita. Pero let's take a look at it again. Napakagandang tres galing dito kay Nuestro. Now NCF's basketball. Mase. 2 minutes and 17 seconds remaining in our first quarter. Now Mase goes inside, tries.
Using the board on that last sequence. Now tied up at 15. And Brito with the steal. 2 shots will be given on him. Ayan, 2 shots will be given to him para dito sa ating natitirang 1 minute and 53 seconds.
Now, both teams are now on the penalty here. Brito, first free throw was good. 16-15, 1 minute and 53 seconds remaining. Now Brito for his second free throw. And let's see if they can have the lead of 2 here after this free throw. It's good. Now STI Olympians on the offense now. STI, talagang disadvantage sa kanila yung height. Pero at the same time, they uses their skills, their strength, and yung speed nila dito. Now Montana will also be on the free throw line to tie the game on 17 all. And kudos din sa mga players dito ng ating STI Olympians, even wala si Berse na isa sa mga taga-depensa nila sa baba, nagagawan pa rin nila ng paraan dito na makapuntos. At hindi din sila natatakot doon sa mga height ditong ating NCF players. Now, again, 17, deadlock.
NCF with the ball possession, Brito Tomase. Heavily guarded here. 7 to shoot. And what a connection out of nowhere para dito kay Brito. Mase and Brito connection. Let's take one more time. And that's it. What a connection, samahan pa yan ng foul.
Ayan, naipit doon si Mase pero nahanap dito si Brito for a 3-point play para sa side ng ating Tigers. Now Torres will go in on the side of the STI Olympians as well as Pado. Now on the offense here, Nuestro with the ball. Long two, no good.
Brito securing that one. Now Mase to Brito. No good. STI on the offense and great steal para dito kay Borromeo. Mase looking for the right timing. And another great pass. Wow, napakaganda ng performance ngayon ni Mase inside the court, finding those players na talaga namang porsyento para dito sa kanilang kupunan.
No good on that 3-point attempt on the side of the STI Olympians. 23 seconds remaining on our first quarter now. Mase with 15 to shoot, taking their time here. Now Mase, 8 seconds. What will they do now with that 5-point lead? Mase passes here to Arenzana, pero naubos na yung oras dyan ng ating NCF Tigers. Now STI Olympians still have a chance here with 4 seconds remaining on our first quarter. But a steal here to Lavandero, and Mase fires for a 3, no good. And with that, it ended with 22-17 in favor of the NCF Tigers. We will be back for the second quarter of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
we are back here sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium sa pagpapatuloy ng ating matchup. It's between the NCF Tigers versus the STI Olympians. Now, ang ating iniwang score is 22-17. So, ano kaya ang gagawin ditong pag-bounce back sa ating second quarter nitong STI Olympians? Or will the NCF continuously dominate this ball game?
At ayan nga, hindi nga nagkakalayo dito ang puntos ng ating dalawang kupunan. Now, Nuestro to try again on 3. No good offensive rebound on the side of the STI Olympians. Jersey number 11, denied by Arenzana. Pero nasa kanila pa rin ang bola. Now, to try on the outside. One more time for a three-pointer. This time, naipasok na yan ni jersey number 11, Bado. Grabe itong ating STI Olympians. Nakuha pa yung offensive rebound na yan with the height of the NCF Tigers. But on that last sequence, a traveling violation was committed by the players of the NCF. With that, another opportunity for the Olympians boys to get on the lead or tie the game here. Now, Nuestro. The ball will go on the side of the STI.
And now, intense matchup ang nafe-feel natin dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium. Now, heavily guarded dito ang ating STI Olympians. But no good on that. Last attempt coming from Franco Massa, and I believe ready na dito mag-report ang courtside ng ating STI. Hi Casey, anong balita dyan?
The first quarter was an intense fight between the Tigers and the Olympians. Sabi nga ni Coach Noel, you are against one of the best here in Bucal. Make the most out of it. And it's clear that his team took those words to heart. The Olympians are stepping up to the challenge, delivering a performance that matches the intensity and pace of their opponent. Kung ipagpapatuloy nga nila ang ganitong performance, this game is shaping up to be an unforgettable battle. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey. Naramdaman namin yung tuwa mo after that last sequence. A three-pointer coming from the side of the STI Olympians. At talagang bumabawi sila dito. Nakikipagsabayan doon sa facing nitong ating NCF Tigers. And hindi din sa kanila issue yung height advantage nitong ating NCF Tigers dahil nakikipagbakbakan sila dyan sa loob. And now, a 1-point lead with the STI Olympians. And with this one, ano kaya yung adjustment dito ng ating NCF Tigers dahil nakita na nila na itong ating STI Olympians walang inuurungan. At para marinig ang update all the way from the side of the Tigers, andyan si Maui. Hi Maui, anong update natin dyan?
Rick and Dean ended. The anticipation is on and the Tigers are prepared not only to take home their ticket for the semis as they put an all-out action for this game. Naging dikit nga ang laban in the first quarter and this only shows how thirsty these teams are to enter the Final Four. Coach Brian made an adjustment, giving his players their assignments in terms of offense and defense dahil nahihirapan nga silang lumabang sa kanilang kalaban. Now for more live action, tutok lang dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to you, Rick and Teen.
Ayan, thank you so much Maui for that. So yun nga, dikit na dikit po ang ating laban. And yun, halatang-halata mo talaga na gustong-gusto nitong dalawang kupunan magkaroon ng placement sa ating Final Four spot. Now, matira-matibay na lamang dito ang mangyayari and patibayan ng game plan and at the same time communication inside the court. Now, NCF, ano ang magiging answer dito? Masen, no good. Arenzana forcing that one pero wala pa din. Now STI with a chance to add their score here.
Now Racel is libreng-libre. And the STI Olympians still on the intensity of their team here. Now Mase passes to Brito. Now 30 seconds to shoot here. Arenzana uses that ball. Pero it will stay on the side of the NCF Tigers. Now, papasok na dito. Montaña and Barredo on the side of the Olympians. Palilio, Catamora, San Gabriel, Gabito and Palaje. Papalit dito para sa ating NCF Tigers. Now 9 seconds to shoot here. Palilio. Passes to Palaje. And the ball will go on the side of the SDI Olympians. An opportunity again to widen that gap of the SDI. Now heavily guarded here, jersey number 29. Passes to Montaña. On the other side, Barredo. Papasok sa loob. Loses that one. Nailigtas pa dito. The jersey number 29, 10 seconds to shoot. Racelis to Barredo. Loses that ball. Palaje, long pass here. Pero last touch dyan player ng ating SDI Olympians na si Racelis. So it will stay on the side of the NCF Tigers.
Now Palilio to inbound, passing the ball to Catamora with that 3 points. Mainit-init pa galing sa bench. Para dito sa ating NCF side. Barredo, nagmamadali, forcing that one. No good. Gabito with that empathic skill. Catamora, one more time. And Gabito! Basket count, samahan pa ng foul para dito sa ating larong ito. Now, let's take a look one more time for that instant replay. Catamora passing the ball to Gabito. And with that, abante dito ang kanilang kupunan.
Now, Gabito for a 3-point opportunity here. Gabito to make it a 5-point lead. That's good. Ngayon, napakabilis lang magbago ng momentum nitong ating mga players. But still, it is an intense second quarter of the game. Now, Racelis passes to Montaña. Now, Barredo was there. Passes on the inside, loses it. San Gabriel with that steal. Now they're taking their time here. Catamora. Palaje, mid-range, no good. As the eye heavily guarded. Palaje with that foul. Now, Racelis to inbound. Full shot clock para dito sa ating SDI. Now on the corner, goes inside, Barredo. Nawala doon si San Gabriel.
Now, chance for the NCF here to score. Foul was called on the side of the SDI Olympians.
Now NCF Tigers, 14 seconds on the shot clock. Catamora again on the same place, same point, a 3-pointer coming from Catamora. Racelis.
And a great steal coming from Justin. Catamora slips on the floor. And now, SDI has the chance here to score.
Napalitan lang dito ng punto. San Gabriel heavily guarded. Racelis with a steal. Heavily guarded here by Palilio. Pero a whistled foul tatawag dito kay Palilio. So Rosales will be on the free throw line. At nasa penalty na nga po ang ating STI, 35-29. Napakabilis lang lumayo yung puntos dito ng ating NCF Tigers. But the STI Olympians still holding on dahil itong si Rosales na ipasok yung kanyang unang free throw.
And 2 free throw shots was good para dito sa ating STI Olympians. Now Palilio with the ball. Passing the ball to Gabito with 10 seconds to shoot. Forcing that one. And Gabito successful with that. Last sequence now. Chance for the STI here to score.
Barredo. A steal, pero stepping on the line si Montana dyan. So a turnover here for the NCF Tigers. 4 minutes and 23 seconds remaining. 37-31, 6-point lead itong ating NCF Tigers.
Justin to inbound. And now Palilio will try. No good. STI with the ball possession.
Now Montana passes to the other side. Barredo heavily guarded by Catamora. And a steal. Palilio gets that. San Gabriel ngayon. Pero i-foul para dito kay Catamora. So the ball will go on the side of the STI Olympians. Now Rosales. Rosales to Barredo. But a traveling violation was committed there. Ngayon, 37-31 pa rin po ang nasa ating talaan. NCF on the offense now. Palahe. To Catamora. Tries again on the 3. No good this time. But an offensive rebound on the side of the NCF Tigers. But a whistled foul. It will be the STI's basketball. Rosales to Barredo. Long pass here. At nakuha na ngayon ni Gabito. Gabito to Palilio. Pero lost opportunity. Pero the ball will stay on the side of the NCF Tigers here with 19 seconds to shoot.
Magkakaroon ng review ang ating officials for that last sequence kung kanino ba ang last touch. For the meantime, mag-shoutout muna tayo sa ating mga live viewers. Shoutout po kay Ma'am Aida Osea. Maraming salamat po sa panunood at suporta. Kay Ed Harmon Mirabueno Mendoza, Robs de la Cruz, Tez Tiensay, kay Casey Antioquia, Eliza Faith Respeto, at kay Ronel Aven. Maraming salamat po.
At ayan, maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-aantabay sa atin sa ating mga live coverage at sa ating Facebook pages. And of course, sa lahat po ng supporters ng ating STI Olympians at ng NCF Tigers na present po ngayong hapon na ito dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Sta University Gymnasium. Again, this will be the last game for our quarterfinal round. At bukas agad-agad po ang ating semifinals. 2 laro bukas at 2 laro din po sa Tuesday. Pero abangan niyo po yung ating mga schedules dahil ipopost po yan sa official Facebook page of Bucal para makita natin kung sino-sino nga ba ang magtatapatan sa ating semifinals. And ngayon nga po, 3 minuto At 21 seconds yung natitira po sa ating second quarter, 37-31 with 6-point lead coming from the side of the NCF Tigers. And the ball will go on the side of the STI Olympians. It was a successful challenge from the side of the Olympians here. Now Rosales to inbound. Passes to Alex Carrio. Small but incredible dito, pero medyo napalakas yung paso dyan. So this will be on the side of the NCF Tigers. Napatawag nga na time off dyan ang ating NCF Tigers. 3 minutes and 15 seconds remaining, 37-31. At ayun nga, after this timeout, ano kaya yung pagbabago dito sa side ng ating NCF Tigers? Kasi if I can remember, kanina pa tayo nandito sa ganitong puntos. And for the side of the STI Olympians, paano pa ba nila paiigtingin yung kanilang depensa, knowing that the height advantage of the NCF Tigers is far from their height. And of course, wala din dyan si Berse para sa depensa, but Barredo was present para magbigay dito ng depensa sa side ng ating STI Olympians. At ayun nga po, mamaya po ang ating third quarter. Ano kaya yung mangyayari dito dahil nakita na nga natin yung mga past games natin sa ating quarterfinals. Talaga namang bakbakan kung bakbakan itong ating mga teams at talagang lahat gustong manalo, lahat gustong makapunta sa semi-final round and be part of the Final Four.
3 minutes and 15 seconds remaining for our first half, and still dikit na dikit pa rin dito ang dalawang kupunan.
Now NCF on the offense. Katamora. And a steal here by Rosales. Pero Palillo nakikipag-agawan pa dyan. But it will be the ball possession of the STI Olympians. At napatawag na nga ng timeout dyan ng ating STI Olympians.
And we will be right back after this short commercial break.
We are back for the continuation of our second quarter, remaining time of 3 minutes and 5 seconds, 37-31. After the timeout was called on the side of the STI Olympians. Ano kaya yung mga gagawin nila ditong strategy to lessen that 6-point lead of the NCF Tigers? Now, this will be their ball possession with 20 seconds to shoot here. Now, Barredo to inbound, pass to Montagna. Montagna ngayon, heavily guarded by Palillo. Back to Barredo. Barredo goes inside. Passes here. At napakagandang bawi coming from jersey number 6, Mendoza. Now, itong ating STI Olympians, talagang napakaganda ng kanilang bawi talaga dito sa side ng ating NCF Tigers. Both teams binibigay yung kanilang lahat dito. Now, let's take a look at it again. Mendoza, guarded by Palahe, but still make it a point here. Now, set Palahe on the free throw line. 37-33. First basket. Now for the second free throw of Palahe.
And now STI with the ball possession. Muntik pang maagawan dito ng bola.
Now Rosales loses the ball. Palahe with that steal. San Gabriel nagmamadali dito. Heavily guarded double team. Rosales with that rebound. STI nag-iinit dito. Now tries for a three-pointer. No good. Offensive rebound. Montanya. Babalik sa loob. Pero whistle foul here para kay Catamora. Ball will stay on the side of the STI Olympians and Montanya having that 2 free throws. First basket was good. Now Montanya for his second free throw. No good this time, but offensive rebound dito. One more time, hindi pa naipasok yan. Nagkakagawan dito. Wala pa rin. Now an offensive rebound, Palacio. Passes on the outside to Barredo for a three-pointer. A big three coming from Barredo. Having just a 1-point lead on the side of the NCF Tigers. Now Catamora. A whistle foul.
And now the STI community is very happy at this moment because naibaba na dito sa isa lamang po ang kailangan nilang habulin para dito sa ating first half. Now, 1 minute and 35 seconds. Ano kaya ang magiging kapalaran ng dalawang koponan na ito? Catamora on that free throw line. No good.
Grabe din yung ating STI Olympians. Kitang-kita natin na pinaghandaan talaga nila yung kanilang laban ngayon against the NCF Tigers.
Wala pa din.
Now STI, Palacio. No good. But the whistle foul. Palahe, that's good on the first free throw. Now second free throw, that's good. 3-point lead of the STI or the NCF rather. Violation was committed to Palacio. Timeout yung itatawag dito.
And 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining. 40-37 on our scoreboard.
At ayan nga, napakaganda nung performance dito na pinapakita ng ating STI Olympians as well as the NCF Tigers. Pero mas grabe kasi dun sa side ng ating STI Olympians dahil kahit maliliit sila, hindi talaga sila nagpapatalo dito sa ating NCF Tigers knowing that the NCF is number 1 on the elimination round. But still, the STI Olympians lumalaban dito. Napakaganda ng kanilang performance. At kahit nga nawala dito si Berse, talagang nakukuha pa rin nila yung magandang depensa na ibinibigay nila dito. At nahihirapan nga yung ating NCF Tigers dahil dyan. And on the other side, the NCF Tigers, hindi din naman talaga nagpapatalo dito sa side ng ating STI Olympians at patuloy lang din sila sa pagbigay sa atin ng magandang laban. Now as we continue the second quarter of the game with the remaining time of 1 minute and 20 seconds, 40-37. Palilio to inbound, 14 to shoot. Pass to Katamora, back to Palilio.
10 seconds to shoot. San Gabriel fires for 3, no good. And a great steal. And with that steal, hindi rin makakapasok dito ang attempt na yon ng ating NCF Tigers. What a wasted opportunity. Again, napakaganda ng depensa dito ng ating Tigers.
Now, a quick 2 para dito kay Palahe. 50 seconds remaining on our first half. Now, Barredo. Hindi ka nang maagawan dyan, but it will stay on the side of the STI Olympians. Now, Palacio.
39 seconds remaining for our first half, 42-37. Now, STI unfortunately losing that ball, so the ball possession will go on the side of the NCF Tigers.
Now, still a chance here for the NCF to gain a momentum and to extend their lead here before the second quarter ends. Now, San Gabriel passes to Balilio. 8 seconds to shoot here. Balilio goes inside, loses it. But the ball stays on the side of the NCF. Now, Balilio. 11 seconds, 5 seconds on their shot clock. To Palahe for that fadeaway shot. Nagawal pa dito ng paraan para magkaroon ng 7 puntos na kalabangan itong ating NCF Tigers. But after this timeout, let's see what will happen. Now let's take a look at it again. Palahe passes, or Palilio passes to Palahe and gets that basket after that fadeaway shot. And we only have 9 seconds remaining on our first half. And still, the STI Olympians have a chance here to lessen that gap. At ano kaya yung gagawin nilang strategy dito with the remaining time of 9 seconds. Of course, a quick shoutout lang sa lahat po ng nanonood sa atin ng live po sa ating Oragon Sports TV. Shoutout kay Chukam, John Christian Bragais, Robs de la Cruz at kay F. Clarigo. Maraming salamat po. And of course, kay Evelyn Alcanzo Reyes at kay Marniela Berido. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay.
And ayan, quick shoutout din sa ating lovely couple. We have Jumdit, James Gabarda, and Madit Baselonia. Tutok lamang po tayo sa 1 Media TV 48 Naga sa kanilang mga live streaming. Maraming salamat po. Ayan, back to the ball game team. 9 seconds for our first half.
Now, 9 seconds remaining. STI on the offense. Now let's see if they can have a point conversion after this possession. (44-37). Now, Palacio to inbound. The pass is here. Pipado. Racelas with the ball. Releases a three. No good. Offensive rebound. Wala pa rin. That will end our first half with 44-37 in favor of the NCF Tigers. We will be back for the second half of the game. Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
NCF Tigers. Now, nagsisimula pa lamang ang ating third quarter pero napakainit na ng agawan ng bola between these two teams. But again, Franco Mase successfully done on that last attempt. And now, Brito with that steal. And a basket count. Samahan pa yan ng foul para dito kay Mase.
Grabe itong ating NCF Tigers. Nagsisimula pa lamang tayo sa pagpasok ng ating third quarter. Pero grabe na agad yung kanilang pinapakita dito. Now a quick replay on that one. Mase with that basket with a foul. Now, as we can see on our halftime analysis, madaming turnover po yung nagawa ng ating STI Olympians dito. Kung kaya medyo napag-iwanan dun sa pagtapos ng ating second quarter. Pero muling bumabalik dito dahil napakaganda din talaga ng performance na ipinapakita dito ng ating mga players ng ating STI Olympians. Now 49-37, a 12-point lead coming from the side of the NCF Tigers. Now Mase goes inside again. And another point para dito sa ating NCF Tigers, adjusting the lead here, making it a big gap. Now, STI, another steal from the side of the NCF. Pero hindi na ito papayagan ng ating Olympians. Rosales ngayon nagmamadali. Passes here. Jersey number 6 pero wala pa rin.
And now Brito with that steal, and I think handang-handa na dito mag-report ang courtside reporter on the side of the NCF Tigers. Now Maui, what would be the adjustment sa pagpasok ng ating third and fourth quarter on the side of the Tigers?
Thank you, Rick and Team Bicolandia. We are now stepping into the second half of this game, wherein the NCF Tigers and the STI Olympians continue to brawl for this do-or-die game, with Gapito being the game changer here for the Tigers, putting a halt on their opponents, making a difference when it matters the most for the team. Earlier from the timeout, Coach Brian reminded the team about their mindset as they need to focus on what is happening in the hard court. He even added that the team is being complacent, and that is hindering them in executing what they have been doing in their trainings. Will this rub off to the Tigers? Now, for more live actions, just tune in at Bucal's Facebook page, One Media TV 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Now, back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Mami. Ayan nga, kahit nasa NCF Tigers yung kalamangan, talagang na kailangan pang i-step up nitong ating Tigers yung kanilang performance. At yun na yung ating nakikita dito sa pagsimula ng ating third quarter. Now, wala pa pong punto sa ating STI Olympians dito sa pagpasok ng ating third quarter dahil itong ating NCF Tigers patuloy-tuloy sa magandang opensa dito at depensa against the Olympians. And to hear an update on the side of the STI, andyan po ang ating courtside reporter na si Casey. Hi Casey, anong balita natin dyan?
Rick and Sin, ramdam na ramdam pa rin ang intensity ng laban dito sa ADNU Gymnasium. Both teams are showing their grit and determination, keeping the crowd on the edge of their seats. For the Olympians, they are going to focus on fast breaks to survey the defense and create scoring opportunities. Coach has also reminded them to stay composed during the game, ensuring they make smart decisions and maintain control under pressure. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much for that, KC. Now, STI Olympians, kailangan ditong ibalik yung nawalang groove coming from the first and the second quarter. Because on that two quarters, talagang pinakitaan tayo dito ng STI Olympians kung gaano nila kayang makuha ang panalo this afternoon. Now, what would be the adjustment on their side if they want to cut the lead na hawak ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers? And now it's their ball possession. Palacio to inbound. Heavily guarded here by the Tigers. Again, marami na tayong nakitang steals sa side ng Tigers.
Now Montana declined here. One more time for the STI Olympians. First point para dito sa ating third quarter. Nabutasan na yung basket dyan ng ating STI Olympians. Now, let's see here as the NCF Tigers continuously gaining a point here and a great momentum. Arenzana, traveling violation. Now, Palacio. Passes to Montana. Now to Rosales. Loses that one.
STI with an opportunity here. And a great sale coming from Borromeo. Arenzana, no good on that attempt, pero offensive rebound. At nagawa ng bola para dito sa dalawang kupunan.
Now, still the ball possession of the NCF Tigers. 14 seconds to shoot here. Arenzana with the ball. Taking up their time here. Passes to Mase. We're almost halfway through the third quarter. Very crucial one. Now passes to Brito. Now Borromeo goes inside at naipasok na nga yan. Napakagandang point conversion coming from Borromeo. Now another steal here for Borromeo. Pero that will be a foul and he will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here.
The defense para dito sa ating third quarter on the side of NCF. Talagang napakaganda at napakatatag. Ayaw na nga ditong ipakuha sa side ng STI Olympians ang bola. And now, patuloy na umaarangkada dito ang kanilang kupunan. Borromeo, let's see one more time for his free throw. And no good. Chance for the Olympians here to score. And Brito again with that steal. And with that beautiful steal, a beautiful point conversion then. Another one. Wow. This is the NCF that we've known for several years. Napakaganda ng pinapakita ditong offense and defense ng ating Tigers.
Now Palacio. Anong gagawin kayang sagot dito ng STI Olympians to Barredo? Tries for a 3. No good. But the whistle foul here. At ito na nga yung nakikita natin kanina. Yung tuloy-tuloy na pagpuntos ng ating STI or ng NCF Tigers rather. And naging maganda na yung kanilang momentum dito sa ating third quarter. Well, on the other side, the STI Olympians sumagot agad dyan. Duwastro para sa tres dito sa ating STI Olympians. Bumawi agad dito. Now let's see here. Mase, 61-42 on our scoreboard. Passes to Borromeo. 10 seconds to shoot here. Mase, fakes a 3. No good on that one. Offensive rebound. Arenzana passes here to Garesma. Loses that ball. And an opportunity goes to the side of the STI Olympians. Now, kailangan gawin dito ng ating STI Olympians na talagang mas paigtingin yung kanilang defense dito. Now, Rosales passes to Barredo. Barredo to try. No good. A fast pace basketball game. Mase! Umikot pa eh. And still nakuha yung puntos na yan. Brito tatawagan ka ng foul. Now let's take a look at it again. Franco Mase, an impressive performance coming from him from the start of the second quarter up until the third quarter of the game. Now, basketball of the STI Olympics. Passes to Nuestro. Nuestro again with the ball. No good. Offensive rebound, Montaña. Wala pa rin. For the third time, Rosales. 5 seconds to shoot. Rice. At hindi pa yan naipasok. Sayang dito yung opportunity ng STI Olympians.
But Franco Mase losing that ball. So chance here for the STI Olympians to add their score because again, medyo umiinit na dito yung ating mga Tigre. Now what would be the answer on their side? No good. Again, Brito. Using his arms on that steal and now Laresma with that point conversion. The connection on the players of the NCF Tigers. Four minutes and 6 seconds remaining for our third quarter. At ibabalik dito si San Gabriel on the side of the NCF. Rosales to inbound. And a 3-point attempt, no good. Franco Mase with that rebound. And San Gabriel, kakapasok pa lang. Pero magkakaroon na dito ng point conversion. And an offensive rebound. But the ball will go on the side of the STI Olympians. Cario passing the ball to Rosales. And a foul was called on Laresma in that last sequence. STI to inbound. With 10 seconds to shoot.
That will be a defensive foul committed by the side of the STI Olympians.
Palillo passing the ball to San Gabriel. Tries for 3, no good. Arenzana securing that offensive rebound. And the ball will stay on their side. 14 seconds to shoot para dito sa NCF.
Now San Gabriel passes to Camora. Back to San Gabriel now. Goes inside, loses that ball, but Arenzana was there to get that ball and convert a point. Now we're seeing an intense game on the side of the NCF Tigers. Alex Cario now, the jersey number 3. Rosales, heavily guarded here. Now to the other corner, tries for a 3-pointer, no good. Offensive rebound at naipasok na this time para sa side ng ating STI Olympians.
I would like to highlight the connection and the passing here on the side of the NCF Tigers. Talagang sibat na sibat kung asan yung taong magkakaroon ng point conversion on that last sequence. And again, dito nahihirapan yung ating STI Olympians. Nakakarami ng steals itong ating NCF. Kailangan nila ditong mag-adjust and need to adjust their game plan dito sa third quarter up to the fourth and final quarter. Now, NCF again with the ball possession. Justin Fires for that one, and this time, San Gabriel with that 3 points. Now NCF with a double-digit lead. Carnio naman will try pero no good. Palilio passing the ball to Guadas, and now Justin libreng-libre. Back-to-back points for him.
Now, the STI Olympians medyo nahihirapan dito sa ating third quarter dahil napakaganda ng momentum na hawak ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers, and Palilio getting inside. No good on that last sequence, but it will stay on the side of the Tigers.
A minute and 40 seconds remaining for our third quarter, and still NCF dominating this third quarter. And another conversion point on the side of their team. Katamora basket count, samahan pa ng foul. Rosales, no good on the 3-point attempt, pero andoon ang kanyang teammates for that second chance point. Now, Justin, and another 3 points para dito kay Justin San Gabriel.
Now, it's Rosales with the ball possession here. 78-46 po sa ating scoreboard. Nakakaagawan dito ng bola. 55 seconds remaining on our third quarter. Now, 13 seconds to shoot on the side of the STI. Ano kayang pambawi ngayon ng ating Olympians dahil sunod-sunod na nga yung pagpuntos dito ng ating NCF Tigers. Now, jersey number 3, Samentarto Rosales to Alex Cario. Alex Cario goes inside, nagmamadali dito, but no good on that one. But the second chance point para dito kay Mendoza. Now, NCF on the offense. Guadas to Katamora. 10 seconds to shoot here. Palilio to San Gabriel, now on the outside to Arenzana for a 3-pointer. No good. Rebound by Rosales. 15 seconds to shoot here. Last ball possession for our third quarter. Pero Alex Cario nabitawan din yung bola. Now, NCF's basketball. 8 seconds to shoot here. Palilio bringing up their time. 5. Now, hindi na naipasok at yun po nagtatapos ang ating third quarter. 78-48. A 30-point lead of the NCF Tigers. We will be back for the fourth and last quarter of this quarterfinal matchup of the STI and NCF. And we are back for the fourth and last quarter of the quarterfinal matchup of our NCF Tigers and the STI Olympians. And as we can see right now, we ended the third quarter by 30 points, headed by the NCF Tigers. We can see the big difference between the plays of the NCF Tigers and the STI Olympians. And up until the start of the fourth quarter, the NCF Tigers continuously giving us a good momentum here. So let's see what will be the adjustment on the side of the STI Olympians to lessen that gap that the NCF built before the fourth quarter started. Now, this is another ball possession of the NCF Tigers. As we can see right now, it is very hard for the STI Olympians because of the height advantage of these Tigers. But let's see if they can do something about this on the offense as well as on the defense. Now Lavandero having that point with a foul. Now a chance for a 3-point opportunity here for the NCF Tigers. And still adjusting on the lead here against the STI Olympians. So they keep adding a point here, widening the gap. And right now, what will the STI Olympians do at this moment? Because we're fighting for the semi-final ticket. And to hear an update on the side of the STI Olympians, let's hear it from our courtside reporter, Casey. Hi, Casey. What's the update there?
Rick, NC in the third quarter proved to be a challenging stretch for the Olympians as the Tigers managed to build a significant lead. But this doesn't stop them from showing their resilience and determination to fight back. With one more quarter to go, they are determined to make every possession count and keep the game within reach. Will the Olympians pull off a comeback or will the Tigers hold their ground? Abangan natin yan as the quarter progresses only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey, for that update. So yun nga, STI Olympians. Is there any chance na magkakaroon sila dito ng comeback? Yan ang aabangan natin dito all throughout this fourth quarter. Now, Palilio getting that one and Guades, no good. The ball possession will go on the side of the STI Olympians. And now, to hear an update on the other side of things, let's call our courtside reporter Maui. Hi Maui, anong balita dyan sa ating mga Tigers?
Thank you, Rick and Teen. A battle to decide if who among these teams will advance to the semis. Now that we are on the fourth and final stretch of this match, the Tigers are showing an unstoppable action, and that proves that they are determined to win this game. This has been Maui Balane reporting from the courtside of the NCF Tigers. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Teen.
Thank you so much, Maui. So the NCF Tigers still on the gods na makuha yung kanilang semi-final ticket para sa kanilang panalo ngayong hapon na ito. But on the other, itong ating STI Olympians, titignan natin kung ano nga ba yung gagawin nila dito. And with that, a timeout was called on the side of the STI Olympians. 7 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. 86-48. Napakalaking kalamangan po yung hawak ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers. But a quick shoutout lang dito sa ating mga supporters sa ating Oragon Sports TV. Shoutout kay Lizlyn Habala, Alan Pelias, Jeric Nunez, Eliza Faith Respeto, Luis Alexander Lapid, Daven Bustamante, JC Vilbar, Christian Mayor, VG Santa Rosa, Kyla Casulia, Aljon Tipuno.
And a shout out to sa ating mga live viewers kay Julie Shelo, Ken Sales, Joban Payapag, Jonna May Baiza Avila, kay Ma'am Irene Tosok, kay Terry A. Sungad, and kay Casey Antioquia. Thank you so much and happy viewing.
Yeah, now after this timeout, will there be a difference for the side of the STI Olympians now that the NCF Tigers still not complacent on that big gap at patuloy-tuloy pa rin po sa pagbigay ng puntos at talagang nakikita natin yung determination sa mga players ng Tigers. But at the same time, the STI Olympians also want to get the ticket to the semi-final round. But the thing that they need to do right now is to strengthen their defense as well as the offense. But it will be hard for them having that height advantage of the NCF Tigers. But now Palilio is on the free throw line here. 87-48. Now STI on the offense. Montana loses the ball. Another steal from the side of the NCF Tigers. Palilio for the fadeaway shot. No good. Montana without rebound. Now STI Olympians on the offense. Heavily guarded here. Now let's see with 16 seconds to shoot. Nuestro with the ball. That passes to Barredo. Now Barredo finds Montana. Montana releases a three. No good. The offense of the STI Olympians, you can see right now, they can feel the struggle here. And still, it's hard for them to convert a point. But still, this is their ball possession. Now, let's see here. 12 seconds to shoot. Passes to Barredo. Barredo goes inside. Heavily guarded. So, a steal from the side of the NCF Tigers.
Guades passing the ball to Cervantes. 10 seconds to shoot. But matatawagan dito ng foul si jersey number 8. Racelis on the side of the STI Olympians. Now Guades looking for his teammate. Passing the ball to De La Peña. With 10 to shoot. And a great steal coming from Barredo.
Now Barredo with the ball. Passes here to jersey number 11. Restro to the other side. 14 seconds to shoot here. And let's see what will the STI do at this moment. An in and out ball. A lost opportunity for the side of the Olympians. 6-minute mark. Palilio to Cervantes having a great connection. So din talaga sa pinaka-importante is yung communication between the players, connection. Yes. Yun yung importante dito to convert a great point here. But a foul was whistled. STI's basketball, Rosales. 16 seconds to shoot here. Passes to Montana. Montana to Nuestro. Libreng-libre for a three-pointer. At naipasok nga yan ni Nuestro. Having a 39-point lead. Napakalaking kalamangan po ang hawak ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers. Now, Palilio gets that basket.
And now STI with the ball possession. Fires for that one, no good. And a substitution para dito sa NCF. Palahe ibabalik dito sa loob.
Now STI Olympians on the offense. Barredo tries for a three-pointer. No good. Tatawagan dito ng unsportsmanlike foul si Cervantes ng NCF Tigers. It's Lavandero rather having that unsportsmanlike foul. Now let's see here as Montana on the free throw line. 92-53 with 4 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Now SDI on the offense. Montana passes to the other side, but loses it. It will stay on the side of the Olympians. Now 8 seconds to shoot here. Nuestro again releases a 3. Nuestro, napakaganda po ng performance dito. Nakailang tres na simula ng ating first quarter. Now Cervantes on the inside. Babawi agad dito.
STI, chance for them to score, and Barredo making an impact on their side. And now Cervantes, no good on that one-hand layup.
Now STI, kailangan lang nilang ipagpatuloy yung sunod-sunod nilang pagpuntos dito. Now Rosales to Montana. No good on that attempt of three-pointer, but it will stay on the side of the SDI Olympians. 3 minutes and 40 seconds remaining here. 94-58. Still a big gap here. Now Barredo will be on the free throw line here. That's good para sa unang free throw ni Barredo. .36-point lead coming from the side of the NCF Tigers. Now let's see here if the NCF Tigers can add more to that biggest gap of the game. Cervantes to De La Peña. Now De La Peña goes inside. Cervantes ngayon nahihirapan. A traveling violation committed by the side of the NCF Tigers. Now we're approaching the last minutes of our final quarter, but still the SDI Olympians, we can see the struggling here from the offense to the defense. Pero an offensive foul was committed by Montana.
And now NCF basketball. Guades to inbound. Now Guades passing the ball to Arenzana. Palaje, no good on that attempt. And Barredo getting a point conversion. Again, Barredo still kicking and fighting for their team para dito sa ating natitirang 2 minutes and 33 seconds. Arenzana to Palaje. 9 to shoot. Wala pa din dito sa NCF pero offensive rebound coming from Arenzana. Fires for 3, no good. Cervantes securing that rebound. De La Peña this time, no good. And now Rosales with that long pass pero De La Peña catching that ball.
And now we are on the last 2 minutes of the game. The quarter-final matchup of the NCF Tigers and the SDI Olympians. Yung mananalo po dito sa ating do or die game ay papasok na sa ating semi-final round. Kaya talagang bigay toro dito. Now, 94-62, napakabilis lamang po ng oras. And it will be hard for the side of the STI Olympians now that they're having a double-digit lead from the side of the NCF Tigers.
And 3 points ang papakawalan naman dito on the side of the STI Olympians. Wow, what a fighting spirit on the side of their team. And now NCF. 5 seconds to shoot. Arenzana with a mid-range jumper and it was good. Now STI Olympians, ang ginagawa na lamang nila dito is mapababa yung kalamangang hawak dito ng ating NCF Tigers. 40 seconds remaining for this match. 5 to shoot. And Guades securing that rebound, passing the ball to De La Peña. And De La Peña makakakuha pa ng puntos para dito sa ating NCF side. Now 10 seconds to shoot. 98-65 is our final score. 98 din ang nakuha ng ating NCF Cubs on that previous match. So what a game and what a win for this NCF squad. And still, congratulations on the side of the STI Olympians. Sa aming pagbabalik, makikilala po natin kung sino ang ating best player of the game only here on Dragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Power the next generation of engineers. The Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and NCM engineer. Enroll now.
And there you have it. Our best player of the game is brought to us by Naga College Foundation, Leap into the Future. And together with me is our best player of the game, jersey number 24, William Arenzana, producing 12 points, 7 rebounds, 1 steal, and 2 blocks. So congratulations on your win against the STI. So how does it feel to be back in the Final Four and having this win against the STI?
Unang-una po sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako sa taas, sa lahat ng sumuporta sa amin, lahat ng NCF, si Sir Mario. At masaya kami na nakabalik ulit at gusto namin kunin ulit ang championship.
So, anong aabangan ng mga fans sa ating NCF Tigers knowing na redemption season nga ito ng NCF at gusto natin ulit makuha yung championship?
Yun nga po, bibigyan namin sila ng magandang laban.
And the final is, I will give you the floor to shout out all those supporters na talaga namang walang sawang sumusuporta dito sa NCF.
Binabati ko lahat ng sumusuporta sa amin at sa family ko, kay mama ko, sa pinsan ko, si Dad, kay Justin, kay EJ, kay Sir Mario, kay Sir Tracy, kay sa mga pinsan ko.
Ayan, thank you so much again. What a game, NCF and STI. So here with me is our best player of the game. And again, my name is Rick Cuarta.
And that's our best player of the game. At ang NCF Tigers na nga po ang kumumpleto sa mga kupunan na maglalaban-laban po sa ating semi-final round. Kaya abangan nyo po ang mga schedule po ng ating laro sa ating semi-final round dito sa ating Bucal Season 6.
Again, tutok lamang po tayo dahil next week, maganda na po ang bakbakan dito because we are on our semifinals round. Again, my name is Rick Cuarta.
And I am Christina Alcanzo Reyes. Tutok lang dito sa Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.